For most children in Belgium, primary school starts on the 1st of September, but not for children like Clara, Misha, or Romy. Most schools aren't adapted to their handicaps, a problem only the Minister of Education can solve. CAP48, a non-profit organization that fights to improve the integration of disabled persons into society, wanted these children to be heard. So we created a school bell for the minister. First, we designed a unique bell. Instead of the typical school bell sound, children recorded personal messages for the minister.
Bonjour Madame la Ministre.
Je m'appelle Romy, j'ai 7 ans et demi, j'ai un handicap.
Cette sonnerie, c'est celle d'entrer à l'école où j'aimerais aller.
Mais elle n'est pas encore accessible à des enfants comme moi.
C'est très bien, ça change.
This special bell was programmed to play these messages automatically every time a school bell rang somewhere in the country.
Récré à l'école où je voudrais aller. Cette sonnerie, c'est l'heure de table de mon école où je voudrais aller.
Cette sonnerie, c'est celle de la récré à l'école où je voudrais aller.
Then, during a press conference, the children presented their bell to the Minister of Education.
Ça, je ne vais pas oublier mes priorités.
Their messages were heard. Shortly after, the minister decided to adapt an additional 8 schools to those already in planning, with more to come.